Standard 7th, practice set 13. First sums. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. Now, before finding, we'll see the meaning of what is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल मतलब अगर आपके सामने ये दो नंबर है, इफ़ यू हैव टू नंबर्स, इन दोनों नंबर्स का ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो ये दोनों नंबर डिवाइड कर सकते. फॉर एग्जांपल 12. सो 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12. या 5 and 7. सो 35, 5 7s are 35, 7 5s are 35. सो हम आगे सम्स करते करते वी विल लर्न दिस वेरी क्लियरली. नाउ हियर 12 and 15. So draw a factorization column. Now 12 and 15. We will find out common table which will divide this both the number. So here common table is 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now this 4 and 5, it will not further be divided with any common table. So we can stop our division over here. And now LCM of 12 and 15 equals to this 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. So what is the answer? You can multiply from anywhere, left to right, right to left. So here I find easy multiplying 5 4s are 20 and 2 3s are 6. So 20 into 3 is 60. अगर आप orally नहीं कर सकते तो use old form. 5 4s are 20 multiply by 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6. So this is answer of first question. Now second. Second I have 6, 8 and 10. So for 6, 8 and 10, again draw factorization column. Decide one common table which can divide all three of them. So here I have 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Now this 3 4 5. Again we do not have any common multiplication, common table. ये 3 4 5 को आगे डिवाइड करने के लिए कोई भी common table नहीं है. So again we will stop a further division over here. And now LCM of 6, 8, 10 is 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So multiply like this or your wish. See, I multiply 2 5s are 10. 10 is easy to multiply by any number. So 3 4s are 12. 12 10s are 120. This is oral multiplication. You want, you can go as you like long form. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 4 6 are 24. Then again 5. 5 4s are 20, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 120. Up to you. If you can multiply directly, go directly or use rough column. Third sums. 18 and 32. So draw again factorization column 18 and 32. Okay, always whenever you start this factorization, you must start with 2 if the numbers are not divisible by 2, then you go to 3, then you go to 4, go in sequence. So here I can see I can divide both the number by 2. So I am taking 2, 2 nines are 18, then 32. So 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12. ओके अच्छा, बहुत से बच्चों को कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि हमको देख के कैसे पता चलता है कि ये 2 से जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज सी द लास्ट डिजिट. यहाँ पे लास्ट डिजिट 8 है और यहाँ पे लास्ट डिजिट 2 है. सो 2 and 8 बोथ द डिजिट्स आर डिविजिबल बाय 2. दैट्स वाई आई टुक टेबल ऑफ 2. अच्छा, ये वाला डिवीजन कैसे हुआ? जब हम ऐसे रफली करते हैं 32, सो 2 1 ज़ा 2, 1 बचा और ये 2 नीचे आया तो 2 6 ज़ा 12. तो इस चीज़ को हम मन में यहाँ पे करते हैं कि 2 1 ज़ा 2, 3 में से 2 गया, 1 बचा, देन 2 6 ज़ा 12. नाउ फर्दर, नाउ आई हैव लेफ्ट विथ 9 and 16. So again 9 and 16 is no further divisible by any common tables. ये 9 और 16 किसी common table से नहीं जाएगा. So again here LCM of 18 and 32 is 2 into 9 into 16. Okay, here how to do multiplication. सो ऑलवेज गो विथ ग्रेटर नंबर. पहले ना बड़े नंबर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9, 4 9 ज़ा 9 6 ज़ा 54, 5, 9 1 ज़ा 9 and 10 11 12 13 14. So 14. Now you have left with 2. So further multiply by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So your LCM is 288, 288. Sums for 10, 15, 20. So here 5 is the table which can easily divide all these three numbers. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Now further, if you see 3 is an odd number, but this 2 and 4 we can divide 2 and 4 with 2. अब 3 नंबर है ना, 3 में से ये 2 नंबर और आगे डिवाइड हो सकता है. तो विल टेक 2, 2 1 ज़ा 2, 3 नहीं कर सकते कुछ तो विल टेक 3 एज इट इज़ एंड 2 2 ज़ा 4. नाउ वी हैव लेफ्ट विथ 1 2 and 3. So here our sums come to an end and LCM of 10, 15 and 20 is 5 into 2 into 1 is okay if you do not write 3 into 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. So 10 6 are 60. So your answer is 60. Now further, next sums, fifth one, 45 and 86. Now here if you see the numbers carefully, this 45 and 86, these both are completely different number. 45 is an odd number and 86 is an even number. ऐसा कोई टेबल नहीं है जो इन दोनों को थोड़ा भी डिवाइड कर सकते. सो हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी जस्ट हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई देम विथ ईच अदर. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 45 into 86 will be, use your rough column at the corner, 86 multiply 45. So 5 6 are 30, 5 8 are 40, 43 and 4 6 are 24, 2, 4 8 are 32, 33, 34. After adding 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 4, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, and here comes 3. So LCM of 45 and 86 is 3870.